Ways to earn money online without any training. 2024. Earning money online without formal training is possible, and there are various avenues you can explore. While some of these methods may require a bit of learning on the go, they generally don't necessitate specific qualifications. Here are ways to earn money online in 2024 without formal training. Freelance editing. Write articles, blog posts, or content for websites. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer offer opportunities for freelance writers. Content creation on social media. Creating content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Virtual assistants offer virtual assistant services for tasks like email management, scheduling, or data entry on freelancing websites such as Upwork or Remote OK. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing programs on Amazon, ClickBank, or other affiliate networks. Earn commissions for each sale made through your referral. Sell handmade crafts on Etsy. If you enjoy crafting, sell your handmade items on Etsy. It's a platform for creative entrepreneurs to showcase and sell their products. Online surveys and reviews. Participate in paid online surveys. And write product reviews on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vendal Research. Virtual real estate. Buy and sell virtual real estate or in-game items in online games or virtual worlds. Some people make money by trading digital assets. Sell stock photos. If you have a good eye for photography, sell your photos. On stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. Remote customer service. Apply for remote customer service positions on websites like Indeed. Remote OK are customer service outsourcing platforms. Create and sell printables. Designate and sell printable templates for planners, checklists, or artwork on platforms like Etsy. Remote data entry. Look for remote data entry jobs on websites like Upwork or Freelancer. Many companies outsource basic data entry tasks. Participate in online contests. Enter online contests and competitions on websites or social media platforms that offer cash prizes for various skills or creative endeavors. Rent out your assets. Rent out your tools, equipment, or even your parking space on platforms like Fat Llama or Airbnb. Create and sell ebooks. Write and publish ebooks on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. You can create content on various topics, both fiction and non-fiction. Remember, while these methods don't require formal training, success often comes with consistency, dedication, and a willingness to adapt and learn as you go. Experiment with different approaches to see what works best for you. Additionally, be cautious of scams and prioritize reputable platforms with positive reviews.